US Vice President JD Vance defends tariffs on India. He says that Trump imposed secondary tariffs on India to stop Russia-Ukraine war. He says that Donald Trump had applied aggressive economic leverage, including secondary tariffs on India, in an attempt to pressure Russia to end the war in Ukraine. 3 days before the Trump administration's additional 25% tariff penalty on India over its purchase of Russian oil kicks in, US Vice President JD Vance has defended Trump's tariff on India. So that is the latest breaking news coming in. There have been several positions that Donald Trump had in fact taken in terms of the tariff trade. Indian envoy Vinay Kumar has slammed Trump's tariffs and called them unjustified and unfair. Indian envoy Vinay Kumar says that India will buy oil from wherever it gets the best deal. So, of course, there is a very, very strong stance coming in from India as well, where the Indian envoy Vinay Kumar has slammed Trump's tariffs and called them unjustified and unfair. In fact, this is coming in at a time when we are already seeing that there is a talk and no talk going on in terms of the tariffs which are a concern between India and the United States. And Vinay Kumar has also gone ahead and said that India will buy oil from wherever it gets the best deal. So on one hand, the United States, rather in efforts to put India into secondary sanctions, to pressurize Russia to stop the war with Ukraine, but India is going to be standing very, very strong and head straight, and we will be, of course, buying oil from wherever we get the best deal. And this is exactly the words of the Indian envoy Vinay Kumar, who has, of course, called these tariffs imposed by Donald Trump as unjustified and unfair.